Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial on how to quickly and securely convert bulk images to WebP format using Stackasian tool. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step and show you how easy it is to optimize your images for the web. So let's get started. Firstly, let's take a quick look at Stackasian. It's an online tool designed to streamline the process of converting bulk images to WebP format. Whether you are a web developer, designer, or just someone looking to optimize their website's performance, Stackasian has you covered. To begin, simply upload your images by clicking on the Upload Images button and selecting the files you want to convert. You can convert multiple images at once to save time. You can see all the images uploaded here. If you want to delete some of the images, you can simply click on the delete icon, and now next choose WebP from the format options and click on the download WebP format. So you can see it has converted all the 4 images, 1, 2, 3, 4 images in WebP format. Now you might be wondering why you should convert your images to WebP format. Well, WebP offers several advantages over traditional formats like JPG and PNG. It provides superior compression, resulting in smaller file sizes without compromising image quality. This means faster loading times for your website and a better user experience overall. Security is always a top priority when it comes to handling sensitive data. Rest assured, Stackasian employs advanced security measures to ensure that images are handled securely throughout the conversion process. Your privacy and data security are our utmost concern. One of the key advantages of using Stackasian is its speed and efficiency. Our tool is optimized for quick processing, allowing you to convert images to WebP format. Stackasian also offers a range of customization options to suit your needs. You can resize, crop images, or adjust quality of your images to achieve the perfect result. Let's take a closer look at these features. WebP format is compatible with wide range of browsers, content management systems, and platforms. Whether you are using a WordPress, Shopify, or any other platform, you can easily integrate WebP images into your website for optimal performance. If you have any questions or encounter any issues during the conversion process, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. We are here to help you every step of the way. Thank you for watching our tutorial on converting bulk images to WebP format with Stackasian. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fans. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and updates. Until next time, happy converting.